Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to serve some of the Hotbar items. Chicken stick, pizza slice, pide, and charcoal chicken. So, let's get into it. Over here is the Hotbar. Yeah, Hotbar. First up, we're going to learn how to serve the chicken stick. The chicken stick is located right here. And it's basically the one with the stick. Chicken stick. First up, we warm it up. Place it on the grill. We wait about 10 seconds and then flip it. Another 10 seconds. And we grab it. Take it off. And then we're going to have to put it into a paper bag. You can find it right there in front of you. And this one is the chicken stick bag because it fits perfectly. Open the bag up and place it in. Perfect. Now we're going to have to bag it. Over here you'll find the small bag and over there's the large bag. But for small items, we just use the small bag. We use the small bag 95% of the time. Open it up. Place it in just like that. And now you're ready to give it to the customer. Perfect. Next, the pizza slice. We have 3 different pizza slices, all found at the front next to the chicken sticks. Over here is the cheese. Over there is the chicken. And over there is the meat lovers. It's always the same pizzas: cheese, chicken, and meat lovers. So when we grab a pizza slice and we warm it, we just have to warm the bottom. We don't have to warm the other side, otherwise it burns. 10 seconds is fine. And we take it off. Now we have to bag it. That's the chicken stick bag. And for this, we use the pizza bag because the pizza bag fits the pizza perfectly inside of it. Just like that. Yeah. And again, we just put it into a small bag. Open the bag up and place the pizza inside. Now it's ready to serve to the customer. Perfect. Next up is the pide. We have a few flavors of pide. Alright, so the pide is on the left side of the hotbar. You can find it on the left side of the pizzas. It's always in the corner. We have 4 different flavors: chicken mushroom, spinach and cheese, beef and veggie, and potato. And the first thing we do is we grab it and we warm it. Try to place it on the grill away from the other people's work. And again, 10 seconds, we flip it. Another 10 seconds. And we take it. The pide, we have to slice it. So we grab the scissors. Yeah, we're going to slice it into 4 pieces, sorry. And we grab the scissors. First up, we cut it right through the middle. And then through that one. And that one. Very straightforward. Perfect. And we still use the same bag as the pizza bag. That one. Because that one fits it perfectly as well. Open the bag up and put it in piece by piece. And yeah, perfect. And again, we put it into a small bag, ready for the customer to take home and enjoy. Done. Yeah. Next up is the charcoal chicken. The charcoal chicken can come in whole, half, or quarter. The quarter piece could be breast or the leg. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the whole chicken, because whenever we serve chicken, we cut it. And we need to cut it on a metal plate. That's very important. We don't cut it on the wood. Otherwise, the wood can soak some oil, and it's not good for the chicken. It's not good for the wood. It's not good for anybody. So we grab a metal plate. There we go. Place it over there and grab the chicken and place the chicken on top. That's it. Now we're ready to cut it. The scissors you can find in this box over here. If you can't find it, just always look in that box. You'll find the scissors. Grab the scissors, and now we're ready to cut. So, we're going to cut right through the middle. And we grab the chicken with the left hand just in the middle of the left side, as you can see in the diagram. And then with our right hand, we cut through the middle. So we cut it firmly, firm cuts, and we're done. That's a chicken cut into half. Very nice. Now we're going to cut it again into 4 pieces. So this one is cutting a half chicken into quarters. We just cut it right through the middle. Sometimes it's obvious where you should cut it, like this example. But if it's not obvious, just use your imagination and cut it halfway. And that's what you get as a result. And that's it. Perfect. And we'll do the other side as well. The other side's a little bit not obvious. That's why you just use your imagination. You look for a halfway point. Always holding it firmly with the tongs. And that's it. Done. Perfect. So sometimes the customer asks us to cut the chicken further into 8 pieces. So you have to just grab a leg over here and just snap, and done. And then we grab the other leg. We just go along the line, the natural line that we have, and we just snap it, and done. For the breast, it's usually underneath the wing, but I think a customer stole this wing off me because they really wanted it. And actually they ordered it, but yeah. For the breasts, we cut underneath the wing. So as you can see, just over there, firm cuts, and we cut it. That's basically cutting chicken. It might take some practice inside the workplace, and that's fine, but that's just how you do it. So let's do a proper whole chicken for a customer. Let's imagine a customer said, hey, I'd like a whole chicken. This is what you do. You cut the chicken. I'm doing it a bit fast here, but it's all just cut it through the middle and cut it through the middle. Over here, you get a whole chicken bag. Just find it underneath the chicken area. That's a whole chicken bag. Open it up and put it in one by one. Beautiful. And we close up the top so it stays nice and warm. The whole chicken always comes with a small garlic, and you can just find it over here. We grab a small garlic. Yeah. So when a customer wants a whole chicken, that's what we give. And we place both items into the bag. And we are done. Awesome. Next up is half chicken or a quarter chicken. We use a small chicken bag. Remember, that's the stick, that's the pizza, and this is the small chicken bag. Made from foil. And it's a bit smaller than the whole chicken bag. Let me just grab a tong over here. And yeah, so we'll open up the bag and grab a piece of chicken. Customer needed a chicken leg, so I gave it away. So let's do a quarter breast. So that's the breast piece. It has a wing on it. Put it into the small bag and close the top. Done. We don't give a garlic with the quarter or the half chicken. We just give it by itself. Put it into a bag, ready to serve. That's it. Next up, we're gonna do a quarter leg. Quarter leg is this piece over here, which is the thigh and the leg, and it has a little tail piece as well. Again, we grab a small chicken bag, open it up and put it in. Close this top. Done. And put it into a bag. A customer wanted that one as well. Now, half a chicken goes into the exact same bag. Like that, same bag. I'm left with 2 breasts here, but it still counts as a half chicken. So 2 breasts fit straight into the bag. We close the top and place it into the plastic bag, ready for the customer to take home. Now you can serve a chicken stick, a pizza slice, a pide, charcoal chicken. And if you have any trouble, you can rewatch the video. Yeah, thanks for watching.